What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you what the BM800 microphone actually does. I got this wire with me, and the audio splitter with me. So I'm just gonna plug this in, right? I'm not gonna use any headset. And if you can hear some noise that's actually unspeakable, I plug it in the microphone side. Now see this microphone. This is the total microphone. This microphone is no edits. I'm not using editing. No editing noise. So I'm gonna plug this in to the iPad and see what the noise is. Alright guys, you can see this microphone. It's already activated. So are you ready to test it out? So this is my real voice. Now this is my voice with the microphone on. So yeah, this is the BM800 microphone. I'm gonna use this for other videos, Fortnite videos, and maybe just survival videos like that. So this is the quality of it. And if you shout, the microphone will be bad. Look, this is the microphone without me shouting. Ah! Now that's the microphone when I'm shouting. It's color gold, and it comes with a stand, but the stand is in my room, and I took the microphone and took it in this room so I can film it. So yeah, this is the broadcasting mic. I have no recordings, only this iPad. So yeah, bye guys. And remember, subscribe. Do not subscribe to, just subscribe to me, please. Give me like 5 likes today. So please enjoy and like this video, and please subscribe.